Now that we've reviewed how to complete your weekly log sheets, we will explain how these hours are maintained to track your overall progress through your internship. Each week, when you electronically share your log sheet, our admin assistant, Pam Brooks, will check those hours. Once you've submitted the signed hard copy, these hours will be documented in a clinical hours spreadsheet, and this update will be shared with you. When the spreadsheet is shared with you, you will receive an email in your SEU Gmail account. This email will include a link to the spreadsheet. The email may also include a message from Pam with information or clarification, so be sure to check for that as well. When you follow the link, it will open the spreadsheet in your Google Drive. You will then be able to look over the information and check it against your own weekly log sheet records. Each section will have the following information: your name and contact information, the professor for the class, and which course that the hours are from. For example, this section is for Practicum 2. It will also have your site and the site supervisor information. Beneath this informational section are the cells that document the actual hours. You will notice that there is a row for each week in the semester. Remember, when you document hours, a week is Monday through Sunday. The dates will be listed accordingly, so it's easy to determine which week's logs have been turned in and signed. A Y in these cells will indicate that the hard copy has been turned in, and if the appropriate signatures are on it. Columns then list the direct hours and indirect hours that were turned in for that week. This information will come directly from the signed log sheets. The spreadsheet will then automatically maintain weekly and running totals of all the hours, so an accurate count for each semester is always available. When checking the hours, take note of any highlighted cells, as this will often indicate something that is missing from our records. You will not be able to edit this spreadsheet, so any concerns can be addressed with Pam. Please review the shared document carefully, as Pam will note any concerns or discrepancies. It's important that you periodically check your own records against the master spreadsheet to ensure that the hour count is correct. It's your responsibility as the student to communicate if you find a discrepancy in the hours. Off to the right side of the section, you will see a list of documents that are required for your file. You can see which ones are documented and which ones are still needed for your file. Included in these documents are evaluations that will be filled out periodically throughout your practicum and internship. Then, at the very bottom of the sheet, there's a yellow box that will document the grand total of hours that have been completed for all sites and semesters so far. This box automatically updates as hours are added to the sections above. And that is how your internship hours are documented. If you have any other questions, please contact Pam Brooks at pdbrooks@seu.edu.